What is going on, guys? It is Melch and I'm back with a brand new video. Now, this whole YouTube channel was based around SMMA, web design, and marketing businesses. That's how I made my first 10K, 20K per month online from SMMA, from selling websites, from coaching. That marketing, that whole side of online marketing and digital marketing is where I made my first money online, how I built my following in the first place, and where I found my first successful online business. And that was basically all of 2025. Was able to travel the world, was able to do many cool things because of that success. And when also I built a following on YouTube and Instagram. Well, now guys, it's coming into April 2026 or May now, I guess. And I'm switching everything to day trading. Now, for those who do not know, if you scroll back on my YouTube channel, I made videos on day trading before I even started at SMMA. And I've been day trading crypto since high school. Since I was like 16, 17, I had my mom, took her identity and I made a Coinbase account and I would buy crypto as well in high school before I was even 18. And that's how I got introduced into trading. Now, I was young, I was just trying to make money and I lost all my money trading crypto. I tried to come back, doing Forex, and then I got into prop firms for the first time in 2024. Failed. Then I found SMMA and web design. I took off with that, and now I have completely stopped web design, completely stopped SMMA. And when I left that business, when I left that space, I was like, what do I want to get into next? Well, I always just stopped back and looked back at trading, because trading, I've always wanted to be a profitable day trader, but I've never had the actual proper mature mindset and the mature headspace to actually do so. And that's what I think is different about this time around of me getting into day trading. So I've been day trading for about almost 3 months now. Back into day trading full time about almost 3 months, I would say. The first 2 months, guys, I just been blowing accounts. So I probably have blown this year, only blown like 4 to 5 accounts. So I have not wasted that much money on accounts, guys. I'm not here blowing accounts every week, every day. I've only blown about 4 or 5 accounts in 2026. So definitely getting back in the groove, definitely finding myself again, and also finding myself outside of the charts and making sure I'm 100% outside of the charts so that I can transfer onto trading. So that's why I'm making this video, guys. I just want to let y'all guys know I'm going to be starting my trading journey. And I thought, I'm going to wait for my first payout. I'm going to wait till I'm actually fully profitable. But no, I'm just going to start documenting my journey now, just to see where it takes me, to hold myself accountable, and also share my technical analysis and share my trades with you guys, because this is actually something I'm very passionate about. I love talking about my trades. I have very, very few trading friends, maybe like 1 or 2. So I like talking to trading about them. So I just love talking about my trades and what I'm looking at. I trade gold and I trade NASDAQ at the moment, futures. So if you want to get started into trading, if you're already trading futures, this is something you should definitely tag along. Maybe you can learn something. I feel like I don't trade ICT. I don't trade smart money concepts. I kind of trade just with order flow and things of that nature, footprint charts. So I would love to, just as I'm mastering my craft, bring you guys along the journey. And I'm going to start posting some live trading recaps, or just the whole live trading session. Road to my first payout, guys. I haven't got my first payout yet, but this month, guys, I've done really well, and I've been following my rules. And I need to add a day streak, but I've been following my rules for 5 days in a row. May not seem crazy. Some people can't even do that, but 5 days in a row may not seem crazy. But guys, like I said, just trying to get back into the groove of trading, get back into the groove outside of trading, make sure I'm 100% dialed in as well. And I know that's going to transfer into the charts, and I know I can be profitable as a trader, especially because I'm documenting all my trades and I'm reviewing them every single weekend and every single day as well. So we're waking up, we're making sure we're waking up way before market open, waking up our brain, getting some caffeine, getting some water, getting awake, taking the trades fully conscious, fully awake, and following my rules, following my systems, following my playbooks. And that's going to allow me to become a profitable trader. And I'm fully confident in that ability. For those who do not know, I am also working a job right now, making decent money working this evening job. So I only go in like at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m., which allows me to have my full day to day trade. So it works out 100%. And that's the best thing I could have at the moment, because I don't want to feel like I need to make a trade today. I need to have a green day. I need to have a profitable day, because you're not always going to win every single day in trading. And I don't want to have feel like, fuck, I need to make money trading, because that's why I failed in the first couple times of me trying to go at it with trading. I needed to make money. I was broke. I needed to pay rent. You know, I was trying to quit my job so bad, whatever it was, I was trying to make it with trading. And now, you know, like I said, I'm 22 now, I'm turning 23 this year. More calm, more mature. I have other things going outside of the charts. I have other things in my life that I can make money from. I have other things in my life that I focus on, like the gym, like my health, like my diet, other things that I'm focusing on, guys. Stacking small wins, not only in trading, but outside of trading, just to keep my mental health positive. And because guys, it's not all about trading. It's about building momentum in trading and also other aspects of your life. So I'm doing good at my job, making good money, and I'm also, you know, maintaining my apartment, eating a good diet, working out multiple times a week, right? So just different things. I'm seeing my family, just different things that go into a positive momentum, and all that positive momentum is going to lead into my trading. It's going to lead into all aspects of my life. So wanted to make this video here just to give y'all a heads up. I'm about to start my trading journey. I'm about to start documenting it. If y'all want to follow me on Instagram, Melch Futures, I'm posting shorts every day, like a trade day recap. If y'all don't want to watch the full session, you can watch a quick 2-minute video on Instagram. And I love making content. I love making videos. I grew this channel to 2K followers in 1 year, basically. Gotten a few videos almost at 10K. And I love teaching, I love explaining things, and I love, you know, talking about things that I'm passionate about. I love to day trade. So I'm starting my day trading journey. It is April, why am I saying it's April? It's May 12th. I've blown, let me see, I want to get the exact number, guys, on how many accounts I've blown and how much I have spent on accounts, because it's not that much. And I realistically could be a profitable day trader on my first ever payout, right? So I'm tracking my numbers. I'm taking this shit very professional, very serious, guys, because I genuinely know I can make a living from trading. I genuinely think I can get consistent payouts. Let's see my trading P&L. So guys, I've only spent $287 on prop firm accounts. I'm happy to say that. I've only blown 6 accounts, 3 Lucid accounts, 2 Apex accounts. I'm on my 3rd Apex account currently. So my first payout, guys, I can easily become a profitable trader. And if we add all my expenses with TradingView, Excel charts, my things I pay for futures, my things I pay for the footprint charts, and mentorship, I'm coming in at $1,300 as of May 12th that I spent this whole year on learning how to trade and actively trading. So $1,300, guys, I can make that in 1 to 2 payouts on a 50K account. So guys, I'm taking this shit serious. I'm tracking my numbers, I'm tracking my trades, and it's a matter of time till every single day I'm following my rules. Every single day I'm showing up, I'm going to the gym, I'm getting a good night's rest, I'm waking up before the market, I'm waking up my mind, I'm getting good thoughts in my mind, good energy. It's only a matter of time till every day, brick by brick. Okay, I didn't make any payouts today, that's fine. Brick by brick, it's gonna pay out. And in no time, I will be a profitable day trader this year. So once again, guys, if y'all guys wanna stay tuned for technical analysis, learn how to trade futures, like how I'm trading it, and I'm fine-tuning my strategy every single day. TradeZilla this month is looking a lot better than last month, guys. Here, I can just show y'all last month. Green week, red week, red week, red week, red week. So I blew multiple accounts, and then the reason why there's no trades here is because I blew an account on one of these days, and I just deleted it because I didn't want to have that blocking my mind, and I wanted to start fresh. And then I got my whiteboard, and I was like, okay, I'm following my rules every freaking day. Let's see my actual stats when I follow my rules. And green day, and we're up so far. Today we did take an L, but 4 trades and only a $48 loss, following my rules in every single day. And we're now 5 days. I need to add the 5th day, which was today. So tracking everything, guys, fully transparent when I mess up, fully transparent when I have a bad trade, when I have a bad day, and I'm not gonna hide anything, guys. So if you want to tap in with me, I'm probably gonna start a Discord pretty soon. Just been trying to just dial in on actually trading, but I am gonna start a Discord pretty soon, just so I can talk to y'all guys who are actually serious about trading as well. But stick along for the journey. Like, comment, and subscribe, or get at me on Instagram at Melch Futures. Without further ado, I'll see y'all guys on the next one.